few years ago, I've designed a software in Excel that allows you to create any maps and color them and create reports and dashboards based on this. This is the commercial product that I'm selling through my blog mapsforexcel.com. You can find there some of the maps I have designed, but I can create any map you wish. You can find also there the Excel map of the world, and this map will become a part of your training package for free. The software is Excel add-in written in Visual Basic for Application language that allows you to create colorful maps and easily control all of the parameters staying on the same time in Excel. It works on macros, so whenever you open it you need to enable the content, and then you have a special ribbon called Custom Excel Map where you can control all of the elements on the map. I will show you just a short example of how you can use the map, and you can find many more videos and tutorials in different videos. You can try generate some random numbers between 1 and 100, and you can bring this data, copy this data down to all of the countries we have on the list. Then we choose colors, and you have in here a pre-built set of color palettes with all the best practices applied, so you can better control the colors in here. I will show you an example with, for example, green and red, and you just insert the numbers that will be tied to your color. We can start like from 100 and then go down for all of the numbers. And after you hit OK, the macro goes row by row and shape by shape and is coloring all of the countries in the expected manner. You can left click the shape to get the particular number, and you have many more options. You can, for example, create bubble charts, you can create column charts, pie charts, you can add labels and many more. And still you are in normal Excel, so you can quickly add here some filtering options. I'm talking about it in many tutorials, and you can share this map with anybody who will open and act with this map, as you can see now on the screen. Later within this course you will discover also a template custom Excel map that will allow you to create any map you wish, so that you can design your map and use this software for your mapping purposes. And if you'd like to order your custom map as a service, just let me know after this course, and I will try to give you a quote for that.